Hello everyone, you are watching S for Shamsi YouTube channel. A carrier AC even error code indicate a communication problem between the indoor and outdoor units, often stemming from wiring issues or a faulty control board. Here's a breakdown of the issues and potential solution. What the E1 error means. The E1 error code signifies a communication malfunction between the indoor and outdoor units of your carrier AC system. This error is an internal diagnostic indicator, meaning the units on board monitoring system had detected an issue with the control circuitry. Possible causes: wiring problems, loose or damaged wires connecting the indoor and outdoor units disrupt communication, faulty control board. A problem with the control board in either the indoor or outdoor units can prevent proper communication. Interference. Other electrical devices or wiring nearby could interfere with the communication signals. Dirty filters or coils. Restricted airflow due to dirty filters or coils can cause the unit to work harder and potentially trigger the E1 error. Troubleshooting steps. Number 1. Reset the unit. Turn off the AC unit by flipping the breaker to power down the unit. Wait a few minutes, then flip the breaker back on. Number 2. Check wiring. Carefully inspect all wiring connection between the indoor and outdoor units for loose or damaged wires. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. If you find any problem, repair or replace the wiring as needed. Number 3. Check for interference. Turn off other electrical devices like television or microwaves near the AC unit to see if the error persists. Number 4. Check filter and coils. Remove and clean the air filters. Inspect the evaporator and condenser coil for dirt and debris and clean them if necessary. Number 5. Check voltage. If you are comfortable working with electricity, use a multimeter to check the voltage at the terminal of the indoor and outdoor units. Number 6. Connect a professional. If the issues persist or you are uncomfortable performing these steps, contact a qualified HVAC technician.